Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to calculate the average score of students using Excel. This is an essential skill for anyone managing grades or data. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already entered the data into Excel. There are 5 subjects listed across the top and 5 students' scores listed under each subject. Now, click on the cell at the end of the row for the first student where we want to calculate their average score. Click on the FX button, which stands for function, located above the spreadsheet. In the Insert function dialog box, type average and press Enter. Select the average function from the list. Now select the range of cells that contain the grades for the first student across all subjects. Then click OK. As you can see, the average score of the first student is calculated and displayed. To calculate the average for all students, please follow these steps. Click on the cell that shows the average for the first student. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until it changes to a small cross. This is the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle downward to extend the formula to the cells below, which will calculate the averages for all students. You have now calculated the average grades for each student and each subject. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try it out with your own data. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Excel tutorials. Your support helps us create content that makes Excel easy for everyone. Thank you for watching.